What's up, YouTube? This is a Donavinia right here. Just got my fucking stash for this 2017, man. Got my cakes down here. Look at this. It's cool. I got my artillery shells up there. All my canyons, my mini shells. I got 2 boxes of Excaliburs. I got 2 boxes of Saturn missiles. Got me 2 left over. I got me 2 mini shells. Festival balls, 3 happies. Gotta keep the happies. And I got 3 single shells, man. And down here, I got me 2 strictly big and bad home run best ones. I got this killer cake, killer. Beautiful Nightmare. Oh man, Beautiful Nightmare is the shit. Had that last year. Had my last shocker right here. Got the Joyride, the Bling Bling, Desert Scorpion, Bad Piggies. Bad Piggies, man. It's fucking awesome. Dominic. Keep Dominic on lock, bro. Like that shit. Yep. Evil Undertaker all day, bro. Check these fucking tubes out, man. They're fucking 2 inches, man. 2 fucking inches. Nice. Current events. See you guys. I'll be uploading some pictures. Gotta see you. Look at this. Donavinia. Cool.